Want to know how to publish and view a series of photographs that have already been stored in your Instagram moments that you are going to compile within your best moments of each year? The social networks show this proposal for you to share them. There is a part of your Instagram called Playback of 2021, you are going to see the most outstanding stories that you have posted. And those that have had more interactions. Also, what you can do is to have an option to put like all photos but GIF music or lyrics. There are two ways in which you can get the notification to see your moments. You can simply pop up at the top of your feed when you open the app. Don't forget that when you click on the Moments sticker in other people's stories, it will open a window that allows you to directly view your moments. When you click on the option to view your moments, you will go to a screen where you can see what have been your top Instagram stories of the year. Click on the next button. Now it will take you to a part of the screen in which to see your stories, and at the bottom all the stories that have been generated. In this section here you will be able to decorate each of them, and if you are not satisfied, you can also delete stories or add others to your compilation. If you click on the button to add stories, you will go to the hidden history with all the ones you have published on your Instagram account. Here, all the ones you add will have the special frame of the best moments of 2021. So you can fully customize your collection or add many more than you currently have. Once you have everything to your liking on the story editing screen, click on the next button, and you'll go to the screen where you can choose how you want to share them. It is the same screen as when you are going to share any story, and you can add them. You can add them to your story section for everyone to see, send them to someone or whatever you want. So quickly your featured stories of the year will be added to your list of stories or wherever you have decided to publish them.